Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable next alarm widget on the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on lock screen. In here, you want to go down and tap on widgets. And then in here, we're going to tap on next alarm, and by tapping on that and turning it on, if you go to the lock screen, we can tap on the clock icon right here, and then if you go down, you can see there is some information about your next alarm. So in here I have an alarm is scheduled to go off in, sorry, I'm just going to tap on the clock. So there is another alarm to go off in the next 15 minutes. Now if I tap on that, I can let me see. So with the next alarm, if you tap on it, nothing will happen. And on some schedule, when you tap on it, it can take you to the main detail page. Whereas on the alarm, if you tap on it, then nothing will happen. It's just for information display only. And that's it. So that's how you can add this widget to your lock screen. And this basically allows you to quickly going through your widgets without having to go into your home screen. So you can see here on my lock screen, I can simply just tap on it to open up all of my widgets, and here I can see my next alarm information. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.